Senate chisemega Kenya Mheshimiwa Julius Ogamba niko bono aumirana no musubati Eleonore Karoiti umwaziri otendreta amang'ana yokobwaterana echinse cheisiko ase enseria ya France ase babeka ese yokoigwana kwa obukonyi bw'echibesa ogocha koenekia buna emiroberio yogoikirania kobeka ebitandao yekerero ase chisukuru chechi TVETS nechikoenekiwa igo omuroberio iga oenekiwa ase esukuru ya TVET ya Gigiri ase serikali ya Kenya yabekire omokia bosia orokiri omokia ogocha koenekia buna chisukuru chechi TVET konyara chireko bachikobwateranigwa na amang'ana iga yekerero erinde kobakonya aborokigwa n'emiroberio yechisemi erache kobakonya kwegendereria ase okonyora emirimo yechigasi ase ense egenderete koenekia monchoria mange ase emitandao yekerero.
Where we've come to exchange the financing agreement on the project that we are calling the digitalization of TVET project that was started in 2020, and the financing agreement was signed in December 2025. This is a project that is going to digitize all our curriculum content in the TVET subsector, and it's going to assist us because we are increasing the number of enrollment of our students from the initial 200,000. We are currently at 800,000, and we are moving towards our target of 2 million. And this is going to assist us reduce the cost, become more efficient, and reach that many more numbers because it's going to be online based. So it is aligned with our bottom-up economic agenda of digitizing our economy and ensuring that all our trainees that we are producing from our programs are aligned and they are skilled, competent to be able to undertake whatever job that they can get both locally and internationally. That's why this particular project is critical for us, and we thank each and everyone who has made this possible, and we urge our other partners and collaboration institutions that we work with to ensure that we work together, we negotiate, we interrogate the programs that we have, the goals for which we are setting them up are achieved. So thank you very much, and we appreciate your coming, and welcome to Kenya. We didn't get enough time to be here, but I hope you get time to come and visit even our parks. Thank you.
Manchu murigereria yokuru ase mesa